guys, my name is Donna, and I think I want to show you a new thingy called 360 Total Security. And now this actually, you can actually see a cleanup with it that installs with it. So you cannot just install this cleanup without installing this 360 Total Security, because you never see it like this. But there are like, I tried installing like a red thing in our computer, but it just never loaded. Of course, I got scammed again. I also tried to install a new screen recorder called TextMe's Camtasia. I saw it on lots of adverts, and of course it scammed me again because installing it and never loaded. That's why, to make myself happy, I've got this 360 Total Security, and this is the only thing that actually works. And of course online games do work. Online games do actually work, I think. That's why I play a lot of online games, because and I think I kind of like it. I think you can see my scan, like optimal. Good, I'm all optimal, that's good. I'm all good. At least I think I want my computer clean. I got the full scan. Let us see if there's anything waiting for me. I think there's not, because I literally just scanned a couple of like, gonna take a long time. I literally just cleaned up, so I tried making up the, there you go, no threads found. Time taken, no threads found. Of course I don't want any threads. But better than no threads. Anything that can actually, toolbox, and I remember there was an option where you can like change your background. Change the style, make it look like a beach instead of this blue thing. I kind of like the blue thing. Now, I think I actually like this a lot. It does actually help whenever I see it's clean my computer. Actually stop it from being a lag a little bit. But there's lots of stuff. Like, I actually deleted stuff that never worked. Like, come on. Like one thing that annoys me, guys, yeah, about like this, looks really cool though, is that whenever I try to install a game, it tells me to install another website, which is really annoying. I don't know why, but when you click on the website, it gets laggy. Then, like some games, I only work for like Play Store, and of course I do have Play Store. I can actually run a disk on my computer, not really sure if it's really. I think I've got. Let me see what I've got. Useless. That I tried to install, but never found out that it never works. I'm not really sure. But there you go, guys. I also want to show you this. I'm gonna close this, so I don't want to run too much stuff because it gets annoying. I'm gonna show you cleanup. And now that's this thing right here. It's cleanup. Now this is the same. It's 360 Total Security icon. Looks like this or like this. And you got the 360 security on Android, but this is the Total Security. Yeah, and I think it's nice. I want to clean up on the privacy. Oh yeah, you can't open this. You can't open it up without opening up 360 Total Security. So I think it's okay. Okay, I think it's okay. Okay, good. Good. And thanks. Toolbox. Not really sure what I even clicked on. Okay. I got a lot of here. 96. I don't want to clean that up. How do I clean? Now when I got them, I even know how to clean up. Like, what did it show me that? I got stuff to clean. I think I got lots of stuff to clean. Toolbox. Security. What I need a lot is internet security. Without that internet security, mobile security. Oh, that's the icon. I think that's the 360 icon for Android or iPhone. That's the security thingy. Now, of course, if I can connect it, but without premium, without internet. Privacy. And there you go, that's the cleanup there. actually scan. That's called Privacy Cleaner. Oh, you also got a T-shirt. It's not gonna be on this video, guys. You're never gonna see my T-shirt linked in this video. But when I do a review on my another channel or that Cine channel, my Cartoonist Live channel, I haven't uploaded that for a while. Why was I? But I am ready to upload closely though. Internet Explorer clean up. I don't want to clean that up as well. And it shows me a bunch of stuff like this. It's very annoying. But now this is privacy. Later on, of course, the premium you get to upgrade. You get to clean up all of these. You get cookie cleans, and of course Internet Explorer. And now look how much stuff I got to clean. This is crazy. Look, I got lots of stuff to clean on my computer. That's why my computer's getting so laggy all the time and tricky for games. But don't worry, because you'll just clean it up a little bit here. You've got the full check, and that for free, and it does clean it up a little bit. But that just shows you don't think that they actually trick you. And you got like now this actually does help computers. Some of them don't. I installed one. And it just showed me blind people mode, which started, there was like a person talking like, YouTube, and double tap to activate. Oh, click it, and you double tap, click links. Very annoying, and I hate that. It was very tricky to get rid of it, so I think that I can never play my tablet again. But just to tell you guys, getting to watch a video, even not getting to play a game, is probably crazy. Without getting that annoying green line, and I didn't really like it that much. 24% virus scan, and internet security is what I need most, of course, if everything was all cleaned up. And I got junk files, and not really quite enough, I think. I got speed up and virus scan. Right, protection, I think I got that's probably like a Christmas present, like on rewards, like a new thing to protect your computer or something like that. Your effect, your protection. Oh, T-shirts. Like you'd be like, oh, I want a T-shirt. Come on. Look at this. This will probably disappear, that explanation map. But just clean up. Just don't delete stuff. Just clean up. Right then, I'm just deleting them now. That is totally pointless. That is a little bit pointless, so I can actually help me just delete them a little bit. 0%. This shouldn't take long. I think it shouldn't take long. Come on, it's taking a very long time. Check it. Clean up. Clean up. I think you can upgrade if you want. I think this is really nice. I ever see protection mode, security, threats locked, active. Have I got any internet security? Oh, this is very not. Oh my god, I can't stand looking at this. Look at that. This is just sort of. Full check. 5%. Internet security, speed up, clean up. Of course, I'll clean that up after that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. This has been a review on 360 Total Security. And also, that's not just it, because the 360 Total Security, I think, is really helpful. You can get your fortune. It's actually a game. No? You got the Wheel of Fortune in Fortnite. Now, I can't play Fortnite. It's a connection advice, so I think a connection was my glitchy like internet, so that's why I can't play. I really want to play Fortnite. Or that game, you can do the dance moves. Oh, I really want the game, but there's also a Fortune game, which I was confused with the two, which is actually on on Play Store, and I cannot install it. Now you could have like you could also got Box Maker, which is similar to Mario Maker games, but kind of fun, just to say the least. And Box Maker is a Mario Maker ripoff. They are a copycat. You can tell. If you want to see who copied who, just check the dates. Whichever came later copied the other one. So if Mario Maker came or Mario Editor came after Box Maker, that means Mario Editor copied it. If Box Maker came after Mario Maker, Box Maker copied. And also, don't you find it annoying when people think that you've copied someone, even though they copied you, so they think that you copied them. Just check the dates and you'll see who copied who. Now there's a sweet little prank. Make some jelly, guys. Make some juice. You know, I was really thinking a long time ago. You know, these plastic juices, if I freeze them, will it turn into red ice or jelly? I'm not really sure. But just imagine if we turn it to jelly, but with the juicy flavour into it. You put it into a cup and put something else, cook your friends to trick, and nothing comes out. And then they just go splat on their face, but it's quite a bit fun as well. And they might have a laugh, but thank you guys for watching this video. And actually, before we leave, I want to show you let me just save this because control panel has a bunch. And that's my recording kit. This is my screen recorder, and that's just the easiest recorder to use. Now, here's how Play Store looks like. It's kind of there we go. It's kind of strange, the one instead of just one on phone. Guys, don't buy BlackBerry phones. I remember mentioned on top 3 annoying phone videos. I think I did, and don't buy. They're very annoying. I thought that would be nice, but they're very annoying. You literally have to scrape and just nah. It's okay if I get used to the effects, but I like the BlackBerry phone. It's a cool black color, and I kind of love the cool black color. Black color, kind of very cool. I actually have a computer. For nearly 1 year, I got this for my birthday, and it is still here. It's still lit up. I don't use it every day, but it's still lit up. And I had my computer for a very long time. My computer is the only thing that you can literally keep on and click things. That's my own computer, and I kept mine safe. Let me install 40. Roblox! Netflix! Oh, Candy Crush! I'm trying to play the Candy Crush, but I thought install it looked a bit girlish and I don't want to get laughed at, so yeah. I'm just kidding, but yeah. I think so, yeah, let's play some games. Let's play some games. Lots of games. Age of Empires, Minecraft, Survival, Candy Plug stuff. I love them games. Look, guys, and that's the game I want you to look. Oh, I got very confused. The wheels, the happy lucky things. But no. 40. It's this game. And I think I like to show this game. Now, I got my 360 total security all showed up with the review. And I think that's pretty nice. T-shirts will be on my newer video. Oh my god. You know what? Why don't I just install it right? So you can see, just have some fun. Why don't I? 40. Now, if you want to find out if the game is really interesting enough. Also, guys, a good way to spot if anyone's a good liar, yeah? To ask them to draw a capital Q, I think, on their forehead. Now, if they draw it with them pointing to right, that means they are not a very good liar. But if they draw it to the left, that means they are a very good liar, I think. Kind of like that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Fortune. Yes! I can platinum 360 total security.